Hi guys, today we are learning how to fix YouTube lagging problem on YouTube. First, unlock your phone and swipe down from the top of the screen. Here you need to check your internet connection properly. Now make sure you are connected to a stable internet connection. You can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data if needed. A strong connection is very important for YouTube to run smoothly. Once your internet is stable, try opening the app again. If the issue is not solved, go to your App Store or Play Store. This step helps you check if the YouTube app needs an update. Outdated apps often cause lagging or freezing problems. Now, we will search for the app. Now tap on the search bar at the top of the store. Type YouTube and search for the app. You will see the YouTube app appear in the results. Open the app page to check its status. If you see an update option, tap on it immediately. Updating the app fixes bugs and lagging issues. Wait for the update to complete properly. After updating, open the app again and check. If the problem still continues, restart your phone once. A restart helps clear temporary system glitches. After restarting, open YouTube again and check the issue. Most of the time, this fixes the lagging problem. And that's how you can easily fix the YouTube lagging problem step by step. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment below for more simple tutorials.